All right, in today's Imagine Life with Mark, I'm focusing on the men of God. As a man of God, um, you can't tell me the Holy Spirit will cure my malaria, but will make donations for you to go to the hospital. No, the Holy Spirit will treat all of us. You understand? Then, secondly, if I don't have a car or a house, I cannot gift them to you. Okay? That's the simple fact about it. You have to live fine, and I live fine. Because most of the time now in our generation, the congregation don't look presentable. But you see the pastors, the men of God, flexing exotic life. Isi m na Chukwu kpọrọ gị ka onye kpọọ m, me sef na God call me.